Jamaica won all of 3 awards at this year's World Travel Awards, Caribbean and the Americas edition. The ceremony was held at Sandals, Montego Bay. Jamaica won the title of the Caribbean's leading nature destination 2022. Jamaica was also awarded the title of the Caribbean's leading tourist sport of the year. This is the 14th year that we've won this title. And then the 3rd award that Jamaica won is the Caribbean's leading destination of the year. And we've won this title for 16 consecutive years. The World Travel Awards has been around since 1993, so it's been around 29 years. And as they write on their website, their purpose is to acknowledge, reward, and celebrate excellence across all key sectors of the travel, tourism, and hospitality industries. Also, remember a few weeks ago I shared with you that Jamaica was a top tourism recovery destination across the globe? I like it. It's a good look. Anyways, but here's the thing. Those weren't the only awards. The country and the many tourism service providers from airport and cruise port to hotels and villas copped 26 of the 52 awards. It's a good look. Let me know what you think in the comments and list some of the other awards that I did not list, okay? By the way, if you're enjoying the video so far and you like this type of content, leave a like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe. We meet here every Sunday at 11 a.m. and if I feel nice, I upload a couple videos in the week. Number 2. There's a new tourism zone being created in Jamaica from Rockabessa to Port Antonio. It's called the Riviera Zone and will be dedicated to high-end tourism. The area will feature a low concentration of tourism developments, which is good. Because when I first heard about this, I was concerned about the environmental impact. So I'm glad to read that part. It will include areas like Rockabessa, Port Maria, St. Anne's Bay, Runaway Bay, and Discovery Bay. The port of entry that will support this new development is the Ian Fleming International Airport in Ocean Rias, because of the location, obviously. Anyways, the purpose of this new tourism zone is to diversify our tourism offering and provide opportunities for other areas of the island to earn a share of the tourism revenue. Now, this plays perfectly into Jamaica's Blue Ocean strategy to open new tourism markets, which in the end will provide better assistance to small and medium-sized businesses in the country's tourism sector. Now, I love this initiative because it will allow new areas to earn tourism revenue, but I also don't want more people to be completely dependent on tourism, so that next time, God forbid, we have another pandemic or pandemic, as some people call it, or some other world crisis, everybody will lose their source of income. Anyways, that's what I think. What do you think? By the way, what is the Blue Ocean Strategy? Well, according to Wikipedia, Blue Ocean Strategy is a book published in 2004 written by W. Chan Kim and Renee, that name, professors at that place, and the name of the marketing theory detailed in the book. They assert that these strategic moves create a leap in value for the company, its buyers, and its employees, while unlocking new demand and making the competition irrelevant. The book presents analytical frameworks and tools to foster an organization's ability to systematically create and capture blue oceans, unexplored new market areas. An expanded edition of the book was published in 2015, while a sequel entitled Blue Ocean Shift was published in 2017. Number 3. Come December, there will be a new non-stop flight service to Montego Bay from Bradley International Airport in Connecticut, USA, to be launched by Spirit Airlines. Connecticut has a substantial amount of residents with Jamaican ancestry, with a census showing over 56,000 of such residents. According to Kevin A. Dillon, Executive Director of the Connecticut Airport Authority, we have pursued non-stop Jamaica service at Bradley International Airport for years now in an effort to meet our community's needs, and we are proud to finally make it a reality with Spirit's partnership. I have no doubt that this service will be successful. Do you think it will be successful? Let me know in the comments below. Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett is forecasting that 2023 will be a great year for tourism. It is expected that next year's numbers will exceed pre-pandemic numbers. He said, based on the trajectory, we have every reason to believe that 2023 will be an unbelievable year for tourism. We have recovered faster than anybody could have imagined, and for this, I must commend the team at the Ministry of Tourism and also all of our international partners. Do you agree? Check out what's new in Mobay in the next video.